Hello. Welcome. My name is Kelly Merger. I just recently signed up to be a Paparazzi independent consultant, and I just received my starter kit, and I wanted to share it with you, the unboxing, so we can see all the cool things in here. Get this year started off right. January 1st, my first video with a brand new venture. So, let's get started. And this is the $99 starter kit. Okay. Use some of my equipment here. And I'm also recording this on a different thing from up above so everybody can see what's going on down here, and I'll post that video as well later on. So the first thing we notice is it's packaged very nicely. Got a nice little bubble wrap with the Paparazzi logo. Okay. Now, wow, that's pretty. So it's like in a little frame inside the box. Gonna lift here. Very nice. Okay, the first thing that I noticed right away is this real pretty black box. And it's actually, you know, the quality of like you see when you buy a photo box at the store or something like that. Anyway, and inside looks like we have a lot of the business material. So let me set this aside and take a look at what we have inside there. Okay. First thing in here is the party planner, and this looks like gives you the opportunity to, you know, jot down your plans and what you're gonna do, how you're gonna sell, and very nice spiral bound journal type thing. Let's see. Okay, so this would be the welcome binder. Let's see. Let's open that. I'm curious to see what's in here. Hi, Krista. Hi, Jeannie. I forgot to share to my regular page, so I'm gonna have to do that. I forget how to do that. This is my first one, so I have no idea what I'm doing yet. So we have our welcome binder. Let's see. Welcome packet. Quick start guide. And oh, okay, all kind of booklets with information on accessorizing, inviting, and becoming. So this will teach how to do some sales and how to grow a team. Set that aside. So excited. So much pink. I love it. Okay. This looks like, let's see. Okay. Got some pegs for the pegboard. Put that down here so I can. So I have a pegboard, the kind that you see in like garages or workshops or something. And these are the pegs that go into it. So, and I have Aaron bought me some stuff, and he's gonna put me up a pegboard for the wall over here, and I'll be able to hang up all my inventory. Let's see, what else is in here? Okay, and there's another little box inside here. Another box inside the box. Oh, thanks, Krista. You have no idea how long it took me because I am so out of practice with putting makeup on and doing my hair and everything, so because I have not really had to go anywhere since March of 2020. So it took me like an hour, 2 hours to get ready for this. It's pretty pathetic. Okay. Oh, okay. So we have our Paparazzi welcome letter. Put that over there. Nice little decal. I'll stick that on my card. Some checklists. Let's see. Oh, okay, some checklists for, you know, telling you what you should do to, let's see, for sales and stuff. Let me see these. Let's try to open this. Oh, thanks, Jeannie. I'll have to post this to my regular site later on. I lost my scissors. You always lose scissors. Whether you're wrapping gifts or opening boxes, you always lose them within 10 seconds. You know what? This is going to take forever to open, so I'm just going to say these are a couple checklists here. I'll put them over there. Okay, this looks like a receipt book. I'm going to put that under my other video camera. I got a whole tech setup going in here. Because I'm a nerd and I love that kind of stuff, so. Okay, yeah, receipt book. Love this stuff. This is like Christmas morning, seriously. More checklists. This is for a party. Party checklists. Things to do with hostess, you know, when you're doing house parties and stuff, which obviously we're not going to be doing anytime soon, so this will be some good study material. Let's see. We have a thing for bling, and this looks like a stack of cards that you know I can put in with my orders, and it's a loyalty card. Buy 12, get 1 piece free. So definitely gonna get some more of those, because I will be, when I start doing lives, I will definitely be doing some giveaways. Let's see, compensation plan. This is the brochure about the compensation plan. And let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, okay, these are sponsor sheets. So if anybody wanted to join my team, this is what I, you know, if we were in person, I would give you one of these to fill out, but obviously everything's online right now, so if you wanted to join the team, you can go to paparazziaccessories.com / my number is 433401, and you can sign up on there. Leadership worksheet, and this is just a worksheet that'll help me build, that'll help me grow my business. All right, nice little jewelry display box. Let's see. I already went ahead and got a few of them on my own, so I have some on my thing back here. A white one and a pink one. So now I have a black one. So I'll be able to showcase the necklace pieces there. Very nice. It's velvet, and it has a little frame, like a little picture frame. Easy to stand. Okay. Some thank you cards. Party invites for whenever we get back to partying in person. Can use those. Jewelry repair kit in case any little thing happens and I get a piece that might have gotten broken in the mail or something like that. Nice kit there. A nice stack of the Paparazzi shopping bags. And that's it on that box. So now let's see, what else do we have here? So this is some information about the Fashion Fix. And I think this is a full set of matching things. And I think this is, like, it happens once a month. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that tells me a little bit about that. Now the rest, let's see, is all of the jewelry. So I have 35 pieces in here. I haven't opened this. This is the first time I've opened this box, so I have no idea what's in here yet. But I did want to open up at least one thing to share with you guys to see what it looks like. So let me take a look at, see, this is the fun stuff. You know, sitting around the house for the past 9 months, I don't get to, you know, wear this stuff. Or since I'm working from home now, you know, and we don't do Zoom meetings, you know, at least not with cameras. Nobody goes off their camera because they're all sitting around in their pajamas. So I haven't had much opportunity to get dressed up. So this is fun. Oh, that's pretty. Purple. I love purple. Okay. Getting ahead of myself here. So let me take out one thing. And anyway, before I do that, the sales. So I'll be doing some Facebook Lives every once in a while. I haven't set up my schedule yet, but maybe a couple times a week, a few times a week, get my business going. And I'll be doing sales online, Facebook, primarily for now. And it'll be like an hour or two, depending on what kind of inventory I have. And we'll go over and I'll show you the pieces. And by then I'll have my shopping thing set up, so I'll know exactly, you know, what side things I need to add into this for gathering addresses and so forth, so let me, this piece is calling to me because it's purple. That's my favorite color. So I think I will pick out this one to show you. And of course it will be for sale soon when I do my first live with, for sales. So let me see what we got here. Oh. Let's see. Okay, oh nice. Okay, so here's an idea of what we have in Paparazzi. Cute, cute, cute. I love the purple, my favorite color, and silver, love it. And just an FYI, all of the necklaces come with a matching pair of earrings, and everything is $5, guys. $5. Let me grab my bus so I can show it to you this way. Do I have that on the right way? Yes. Maybe I should have had the white one. because the purple is kind of losing itself in the black background. But anyway, this gives you an idea of what we'll have. And again, like I said, each necklace comes with a matching pair of earrings. And again, $5 for the necklace as well as the earrings. And then we also have rings, bracelets, earrings. We have large, bigger collections with real fancy ornate things that, oh, I can't wait to get a hold of everything. So anyway, thank you guys for joining and watching my unboxing. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys had fun too. And keep an eye out for the, I'll post on my business page, and it's all the shiny, I should know this by now, all the bright shiny things on Facebook. And I will see you there soon for my first live sale. See you guys. Happy New Year.